disagree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video, y'all, we are actually going to give our fridge a deep cleaning today. So it is really filthy, y'all. It's a lot going on in this refrigerator. The great thing about it is that we have not went grocery shopping yet. So it's pretty empty. So this is going to make the transition of this refrigerator a lot easier because we don't have a lot of food in it. We have so much to get done in this kitchen, y'all. So this is going to be a super satisfying get it all done. So I do hope that you enjoy the video. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Taryn. And on my channel, you're going to find motivational cleaning, laundry motivation, real life cleaning, y'all. You find a mess over here. Most of the time when I'm cleaning, it's because I have a complete disaster. And I also bring you some organizing and home decor, declutter. If any of that interests you, I do hope that you go ahead and click that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I would definitely love to have you. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Getting My Life Together 50. I would love to have you there as well. To all of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always showing up for me. Y'all know I love each and every one of you to the moon and back. And I don't know what I would do without you. So thank you so much.
When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Hey, can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah, this feeling is getting...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. Y'all, we're back in this kitchen again. It's a disaster. My main focus is to go ahead and get this kitchen cleaned up, but we have to deep clean this fridge first. I've already shown you where I've taken everything out of the refrigerator. It's a mess, y'all. I don't know if y'all are like this, but with me, when I clean, I'm cleaning because I need to clean. I'm not cleaning because I just feel like I want to clean up something. No, I'm cleaning because it's really a major disaster and it needs to be clean. So I know I'm trying to work on not letting it get to that point, but y'all, it's a struggle for me. So I'm just going to be all the way real with y'all. So on my channel, if you want to see real life cleaning, if you want to see real life disasters where it gets really bad, I'm not cleaning a clean home, y'all. I'm cleaning a home that's dirty. So that's the main focus of my channel, because I don't have time to clean all the time. I don't have the energy to clean all the time. And it is what it is. That's just the truth. That's just the honest truth. So let's dive right into the video, y'all. So here's a quick overview of what the kitchen is looking like.
I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn.
So this is everything that I removed from the refrigerator, y'all. A lot of this stuff is just, it's going in the garbage. But yes, let's go ahead and I'm going to give you an overview of what I've removed from the refrigerator. But before I can get started on this, I have to go ahead and get these dishes washed. This is part of what needs to be washed. Yes, it's mixed in here, y'all. So it's a mess. It's a mess. Let's go ahead and get the dishes and get the kitchen partially clean before I can start cleaning this refrigerator.
Yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
So y'all, I have to go ahead and get a lot of these dishes washed. I am going to load some of them in the dishwasher as well. But most of the cups that you see that we drink out of, and we do drink out of a lot of these cups, y'all, I have to go ahead and hand wash those. I also do not put my pots in the dishwasher. I do not put knives in the dishwasher. So there are certain things that just don't go in the dishwasher. So those are the things that I'm going to go ahead and hand wash.
The encore's what we're praying for. Make it right in the next life.
So y'all, I do have a slight obsession with the Dawn Power Wash in the free and clear. Y'all, that light pear set, I love it so much. I love the smell of it, y'all. It works very well as well, but I do love the smell of it.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Ay, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better.
So y'all, I am using the sprayer and I'm looking at it and it has all of this black stuff around it. It's just filthy. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So that's why you see me going back and forth, because I'm trying to clean it out. It was bad. And y'all, I really, really, truly want to change this faucet out. However, because we're renting, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. And before you say it, I know that renters change out their faucets all the time. I do. I know that.
When you see light, I tend to fade with city lights in your space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself, 'cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. I'm drowning underwater. Need to let you go to find myself, 'cause I keep on falling. Need to let you go to find myself.
Y'all, I do hope that you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, please don't forget to give it a big, big thumbs up. And I do hope that you're enjoying all of this dishwashing that I'm doing by hand. I know that it's very relaxing for me to do it, so I hope you're enjoying it as well. Let me know down in the comments.
You're the only one I think about, yeah. You're the only one for me. The only one I care about, yeah. About, yeah. Thinking about you day and night, yeah. You're the only one for me. I just wanna get it right, yeah. Right, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love. Let's go and we can fly away. We're taking off to the sky. It's you and me tonight. Whoa, baby. You know there was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah. I knew that it was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know we got it. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's amazing how you rock the world. You're the only one for me. Never thought that I would be your girl. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love. Let's go and we can fly away. We're taking off to the sky. It's you and me tonight. Whoa, baby. You know there was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah. I knew that it was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah.
got someone new, I know it. Yeah, but I will keep on denying it. Yeah. Gotta keep my emotions from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Yeah, 'cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. I'm messed up, oh yeah, I know it. All alone with mixed emotions. Yeah, gotta keep my temper from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. Fix it all, to fix it all. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. Human for a while. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night.
Y'all, I am so heavy-handed with this Dawn. Like, I have soap everywhere. And I'm using the Scotch Brite sponge in order to clean out the fridge. And then I'm going to come behind it with one of my e-cloths.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, and oh, they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
I feel your presence on my skin. I feel you spreading out within. This time you got a hold on me. Cause now I look at you differently. Differently. Don't say I realized too late. Don't say you wanna give me space. Ooh, this time you got a hold on me. Cause now I look at you differently.
So y'all, I don't think it was the best idea to put the blueberries in here with the carrots, but we made it work. And the only thing I use is just water, and I add some vinegar to the water. So you'll see later that I changed my mind about leaving the eggs on this top shelf.
It's time that we put out the fire. With every breath I breathe you out. We just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without. Though this is hard to admit, I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it too much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. My heart can't take it any longer. This careless love is getting old. Let's face it, we're not getting younger. If all is said and done, it's time we let it go. Though this is hard to admit, I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it too much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it too much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much.
So y'all, I really wanted you to see a close-up of the shelves that's on the door where we keep all the condiments and everything. They are pretty disgusting. Y'all see how bad they are? I mean, yeah, it needed cleaning. It really did need cleaning, and I'm so glad I got it done, y'all. I feel so much better.
Took me for granted. Don't recognize
Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. You lost perspective. I won't give you direction. You're always restless. Want me to fix your problem. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. I'm your maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track and never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Oh no. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go. Honey.
Y'all, I do apologize for this clip because my head is all in the camera. I'm so sorry about that. And I'm also thinking that I don't know if I have it too bright or what's going on, but it's very blurry, but it does get better, y'all. It does get better.
Don't take me for granted, 'cause I don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track and never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Oh. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track and never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Oh yeah. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go.
Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. I don't know why it's so damn hard being there for each other and showing you my true colors. Yeah, I don't know why it's difficult. I'm trying to make amends, but it doesn't seem to help. No, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make into one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can wait, maybe it's time, maybe we do. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Oh, try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh.
Y'all, I really do not like keeping anything on top of the refrigerator. However, we don't have a lot of storage, so I know that things get stuck on top of the refrigerator, and that's what I don't like to do. That doesn't mean that everybody else in the house doesn't like that. So I have to compromise, but it is so crazy how the top of the fridge gets so dusty, y'all. It's ridiculous.
I don't need to be healed, and I don't want to move on, you know. This heart of mine is occupied, and I am saving a seat for you. Not if but when you come around, I'm used to getting my way around.
So y'all, I decided to go ahead and pull the refrigerator out. I have not pulled the refrigerator out since we moved in, so I don't know what to expect back here, but I will say that it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. But I guess behind this refrigerator has never been mopped before because it was pretty nasty back here. Anyway, let's go ahead and get it moved out. And also I keep looking because I want to make sure I have enough clearance. I don't want to pull it out of the wall, pull the plug out of the wall. So that's why you keep me seeing me look at it.
Memory on the screen. I am waking up from a dream. Baby, come back to me. Why are we mystery? Begging you, begging me. I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. Yeah. I don't need to be here, and I don't want to move on, you know. It just wanna do it without you here. So now I'm saving a seat for you. I see our future in our mind. Oh baby, I know you would be surprised. Memory on the screen. I am waking up from a dream. Baby, come back to me. Why we still a mystery? Begging you, begging me. I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. I am waking up from a dream. Baby, come back, baby.
So y'all, it was glass that was actually up under the fridge. So I'm glad I had on the proper shoes while I was back there trying to get that all up. I think something got broken in the kitchen and it must have rolled up under the refrigerator. So I guess it does help sometimes to pull out your appliances and get that cleaned up because you just never know what's underneath there.
Come back to me. Why we still a mystery? Begging you, begging me. I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. wanna be just a memory. 'Cause I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. Oh, oh, I am waking up from a dream, yeah, yeah. Baby, come back to me. Baby, come back to me. I said, why? I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. Screen. Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I need you, I'm needy, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Feeling more than right in his care, so I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. And I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Feeling more than right in his care, so I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere.
Y'all see how stained this tray is? That actually is right here where the water comes out of the fridge. See, y'all, this is why I drink bottled water, because for it to stain up like that, that is not water that you want in your body. I'm sorry. I don't trust nothing but bottled water. And you have to be careful with what bottled water you drink as well. The video is nearing the end. I do hope you've enjoyed all this motivation that I brought to you today. I hope that it did motivate you to get up and get some things done around your home. Keep in mind that you don't have to do everything at once, y'all. Get it done when you can. Y'all know how I am. Normally, I have a disaster or a mess whenever I begin to clean. But that's okay. We get it cleaned anyway. And if you're still here watching, you are the real MVP. Y'all know I love you to the moon and back. It is actually the 4th of July when I am posting this video. So I do hope you've enjoyed your holiday and you've had a long weekend. It's back to work tomorrow, y'all. So let's get back up and get it done. I am going to see y'all in the next video. But if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And please leave me a comment down below letting me know that you're here, letting me know that you're new here. And thank you so much for clicking on this video if you're new here. And thank you so much for always clicking on my video and coming back each and every time. To all my current subscribers, to all of my loyals, to all of the ones that rock with me no matter what. Y'all know y'all are really, really the best. And I love each and every one of y'all so much. But go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day. I am going to see you in the next video. And also follow me over on Instagram, Getting My Life Together 50. Bye, y'all.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit your fist, but it hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no.